How to add text on the Snapseed. Are you guys facing issues to add text on your Snapseed app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapseed on your iPhone device. If you don't know how to download Snapseed on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open up the app, now click on plus icon. Now browse through your image that you want to add text on. Once your image loads up, now click on the tool icon which is located at the bottom of the screen. Now select the text icon. Once you click on it, now double tap the text icon over here. Remove all this text and add the text according to your preference. Now click on OK. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add text on the Snapseed app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.